Charles Techie. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can create a login and registration system design using your Bootstrap. Okay, then what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a JavaScript library that you use in designing your interfaces. Okay, design your interfaces. It's just like we have our material CSS, okay, our material design and all that. So with Bootstrap, there are a lot of things you could do with your Bootstrap. Okay, so these are the things that we'll be considering today. All right, so guys, the first thing we have to do now is to start creating our project. All right, so the next thing we have to do now is just to create our folder as usual. Create a folder, say form design with Bootstrap. All right, form design with Bootstrap. So drag your folder into this place. All right, so we are going to be calling it from a CDN. CDN means content delivering network. All right, so we need to connect to the internet. Okay, we need data connection. Let's see. Okay, so let's say get Bootstrap. We're going to be using, it's taking time. All right, get Bootstrap. Let's check for a older version. We are not downloading. Just don't go to get Bootstrap. Just say Bootstrap CDN. Okay, Bootstrap CDN, you will see them. Okay, we have, you can see Bootstrap 3 here, the CDN. All right, so let's go to Twitter Bootstrap. Okay, CDN.js. We are going to be using version 4. All right, just take a look. We will take this minified version, copy the link tag. Okay, create your file, say index.html. all right, so exclamation mark, don't forget. All right, so we don't need this. Oh, sorry, we may not need this for the meantime. Don't need to login form. All right, so next thing, paste your link, you copy it. This referral, you don't need the referral and all that. The major thing we need, I'll be showing you shortly. Don't need this integrity. Let's clean this up. Cross origin, we don't need. All right, we may not need this guy as well. Oh, this guy is proving stubborn. Wrap the word first, so just take this guy off. Okay, I think it seems better. All right, so we are going to be using this one file to work with our login form right now. All right, so don't forget to open your live server. You must be connected to the internet to use the CDN. All right, we are going to be using our Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so say we have some defined class in Bootstrap. Like I told you, is a CSS and JavaScript library. Okay, it work well with your jQuery and all that. Okay, let's say our form class. Okay, let's create a div. Let's say class container. I'm going to be using emmet. All right, you just created a container for us. Okay, say form dot, let's just create our form. All right, as usual. Okay, you can do something like this. Say form group. Okay, form group, say input dot form control. All right, so here comes a placeholder, say email. You can see our form is taking shape. All right, let's list it from the, let's move it from the top. Say empty 5 margin top. That's what it means. Okay, margin top 5. Okay, do something like this. We are going to be giving our form shadow. Just do and say form group. Form group. Right, sorry please. Say dot form group. I think I'm correct. Form group, yeah. Okay, say input, form control. You should control the form. It's a class defined in Bootstrap. Say placeholder, say password. All right, you can see it's taking shape. Okay, let's do something. Let's unwrap. All right, so you can see the full code here. Okay, we may not want to do the last guy. Just copy here, paste, remove this guy, say button. Okay, say type, say submit. Okay, give it a class of btn dark, it means black. Okay, or btn primary, which means blue. All right, can you now say login? All right, you can see it's small. To make it, to get to this end, to make it 100%, all you have to do is say btn block. Okay, you can see now, to make the button bigger, we just say btn btn large. Can you see now? So this is our stuff. So you can as well pad these two guys. All you just have to do, click on this part, then hold your alt key. If you're on Mac, you can also use your control key, but my system configuration, I will be using the alt key. Then hold the alt key, click here as well. Same, you can do P3. Okay, you can see now this guy left a bit. All right, but I don't know if you need this, I don't know. All right, let's move on. So you can see we need a title, right? A title, say h1 dot title. All right, so sign in. So you can see with Bootstrap you can do amazing things. If you want to move to the center, just say test center. Okay, so remove it. Like you can see there's no more space here. We need space there. All you have to do, say MB margin bottom 5. Can you see now? Left equated in enough space there. All right, so what we have to now, like I said, we need our form to have a shadow. You can say class, form class, say shadow, should have a shadow. This is shadow now. All right, so you can make it a card. So being a card is somehow weird because all the edges, everything. Okay, so try to pad, let's see, say P5, let's see, very small. Okay, very small, but I think our form just have a better shape. Okay, so this is it guys. For the sign in, remember I can copy one code and create our sign up, sign up, not sign in. Let's say register .html. all right, just paste everything here, open this guy using, oh it's not, just say register. Okay, turn this place to sign up. Okay, sign up here to what, register, or create an account, anyone you prefer. Okay, create an account. So you can just copy this guy, make that you sign up, paste it, say test. Here can be what, full name, right? Full name, you can see it this way. So guys, you can try this out, check it out. Love you guys, do not forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.